As part of our boat building process, we're here in final assembly. That's where things start to get really exciting. So as the boat enters this building, the very first thing that's going to happen to it is we're going to use our array of templates, and we're going to mount our engine and our swim ladder and our trim tabs. And then the boat's going to start to move its way up here in the line. When you get over here to Bay 2, this is where you're going to start to see the leaning posts and the console come across from our small parts area. And then our electrical technicians and Yamaha technicians will take over in Bay 3 and begin the rigging process. And then as you look farther down the line, you get into Bay 4 and 5, and that's where we do our 272-point inspection for QC requirements. And then as it moves over into the very last bay, it's prepping for dealer freight. So in that, we're going to ready this thing and get it all cleaned up and ready for its new home.